Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing how I install clip-ins from Temu. I actually bought 2 packs of clip-ins from Temu. They arrived in this pink package, and then inside the pink package it was a little tan draw bag, and the hair came in a package with the length on it, and I got the 24, and it also came with a pack of lashes. And so I decided I want to do a highlighted look, so I got some highlighted clip-ins, and my hair is pretty straight, but I'm just going to install them and see how everything turns out. I have my flat iron here. I'm gonna flat iron my hair a little bit, and then I'm gonna hood in the back. I'm getting up to the top, so you have to be really careful of how much hair I'm gonna use. So you can see my scalp right here. You see right there. So I'm gonna put the flip in that right in there. I need some more on the side. It's looking pretty full. Okay. Now getting to the top, and I already have the middle part, so I'm going to taking this here. I'm gonna use the one from clip and put it here. Okay, this is my real hair. This is how it's blending in. Okay, so this is how it's looking. Okay. Turn around to the back. This is the back. If I want to put it in a little like this. But you can do different styles. You just have to put the clip in where it fits the style. Like if you want to do it up and have down, you have to make sure the hair is parted correctly and have it covering the tracks. And that's to put it in the ponytail to blend in with the hair top. But this is how it's looking. And I just love the color. And I paid $50 for 2 packs. And this is only 1, 2. Let me see. Okay, I think I'm gonna try to put one at the top. I'm gonna use the 2-prong one because it seems like it needs to be filled in right here. So I'm going to add another one. I think that's better. And brush it down. Okay. I am 5'2" and it says it's 24 inches. So it's like kind of to my butt. I think it's a good length. And I love it. I love the highlights. I think it's perfect for the fall. And it's an easy style to do. And it does say that it's heating here, so you can apply heat. I have my flat iron on 340, so it is taking the heat, as you can see. So okay guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.